Okay, let's see if this thing works like this. We're back. I'm just going to show you something I think is pretty cool. May save some people some money. What we've done, or what I've done, a lot of people use the wax melt, and they use cotton balls, toilet paper, or whatever to wipe it out when you're done. And that's a waste of cotton balls and toilet paper and everything else. And you know, the oil in it just seems to lose its fragrance after a while. But what you see in there is a silicone muffin cup or pan. It comes like 12 to a sheet, and I just cut them just to see. And what's cool about it is I've been trying this for a while, is they don't burn or anything. And I left the corners on there on purpose, because if you decide to change the fragrance in the middle of the day, all you have to do is pick up the corners and move it and put a new one in. And instead of wasting cotton balls and all that, cotton balls, toilet tissue, or whatever, you can just let it dry and harden. And if you want to throw it away, you can throw it away. But here's what's cool. See if I can back this off a little bit. Okay, here's one that's dried. Watch this. It just pops right out like a solid disc. And you can write on it and label it, put whatever fragrance it is, and store it if you want to. Let me see if I can get in here and I'll show you. I've got a whole bunch of different flavors in here. You don't have to worry about getting burned or anything like that. Also, I found that if you go and you get some eyedroppers, some cheap eyedroppers, I think I got these. They were like 4 for $6 or something like that. And then I got oil, fragrance oil. This was like $3 each. And I got a bunch of different fragrances. And if your child has some likes popsicles, save the popsicle sticks, because that's what the popsicle sticks are for. Is when the fragrance runs out, I'll reboost it. I will take some of that oil in an eyedropper and put it back in while it's liquid, and stir it with the popsicle sticks. And so it rejuvenates it, reboosts it. And if you can just do a whole lot of these. This may help somebody save some money. Anyway, if you like this, give me a thumbs up. If you got any additives or want to say anything about it, feel free to below it, and feel free to subscribe. I like subscribers, and then you never know if you got something you would like me to try. Send me an email and I'll try to see if I can get it done for you. Have a great one.